Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making fried pierogies with my special dipping sauce. But before we get into that, please go and hit that red subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So we're going to begin by making the seasoning for our sauce. So I have some smoked paprika, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some sugar. If you don't have Italian seasoning, you can use just oregano or oregano and thyme, whatever you happen to have on you. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. So to make the sauce, we're going to use half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of the seasoning that we just made. Okay, so once our oil is heated up nicely, we're gonna start dropping this in. So you're just going to fry them on each side from 3 to 4 minutes. So here you can see one side is browned already as I'm flipping them over to do the other side. And this is after 8 minutes. They're fully ready to take out of the oil. And I'm just plating it on some lettuce with the dipping sauce in the center, and I'm sprinkling a little bit of the Cajun seasoning right on top of the pierogies. That's it, they're ready, they're delicious. So try out this recipe, let me know what you think, and of course please leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.